Hello everyone, how to do some back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Pingo AI learning application. So first of all, you need to set up your profile first and create your profile. Then you can see interface like this. So you can see here the bottom part three option: speaking, vocabulary and progress. So if you tap here speaking, then you are on speaking mode. If you tap the vocabulary, then you will get here vocabulary, and if you tap at progress, then you can see. So I just started or created account right now. It's empty. Tap to any Korean word or sentence to see its meaning and hit the bookmark icon save. So I'm just going to say speaking. A role play mode, it means you can start speaking or beginner start lesson. Type here. So you can see here introductions, common phrase. So all the thing is here. You can learn all the things. So simply tap on the start button. So now you can start listen. Okay, generate, learn to introduce family members and describe the relationship using simple vocabulary. Okay, start listen. So you have to add your. So I'm using tutorial, that's why I can see here.
안녕하세요.
So
Welcome to
what bank, you can see here family member, learn introduction. I'm stuck. Can you repeat that slower? Everything is here. In conversations, 5 beliefs and transcript, you can see here how you tell, like, okay, I'm just going to say speak. So I'm using a microphone, that's I can say, but you have to hold it here and you can speak.